So possible po ba na ma-invite in the future po yung mga nabanggit na personally na po?
Well, it's up to the commission to decide on that, no? If there's any reliable and competent basis for the commission to invite any personality, as I said before, that would lead to finding the truth para malaman natin kung ano talaga yung katotohanan. But of course, we have to validate this, no? Iimbitahin naman yan upon their discretion. We're being consistent here. Kung ano, we go where the evidence takes us, but at the same time, we are careful with the information given to us. So, susuriin pa yan. And it's too early to tell kasi hindi pa nga nababasa ng commission kung ano man yung linalaman ng letter na yon. At the same time, susuriin nilang mabuti yan. We're very careful here. Kaya nga na sinabi ko, talagang titingnan ng commission kung meron talagang basis yung mga allegations na yun. We're careful.